Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord off.
Hi guys, it's LB with House of Color. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you from Fashion Nova. You guys know I love shopping there, and if you guys like any of the pieces that I show you, I do have a coupon code for you. It's XOHOC. You can use that at checkout and save some money. So I was looking on their website and I saw some really cute pieces. If you guys have ever shopped on there, they come out with stuff basically every day. So if you go on there every day, you're gonna see something new. I was on the website one night and I was like, oh wow, everything is so cute. So the first thing I got was this dress that I'm currently wearing. This is the famous Kylie dress. If you guys follow Kylie Jenner on Instagram, you probably would have seen her wear this dress. It's off the shoulder. It's an oatmeal creamy color. I am obsessed with this dress, you guys. It's so body hugging and I love the long sleeves. You guys know already I'm obsessed with anything off the shoulder, right? And I just love the long sleeves and how it covers your hand. It just gives that really nice, like, that kind of vibe. Off shoulder is super cute. It's super form-fitting. The material is really nice. I love the color. It's a very form-fitting dress, so definitely do not eat a burger before you try on this dress because it is very, very tight. And I think I got it in a small. The next piece I got is this super cute plaid skirt. If you guys have noticed, plaid is super in this year. Anything from this kind of black and white plaid to a warmer tone plaid, plaid is in. So I got this skirt and at first I thought it was a skirt because it has like a little piece like this, but it's actually a skirt. I got it in a small. It fits me really nicely and it's a really great detail to the skirt because it ties right here in the front. And I think this is really, really cute with maybe some thigh highs and a beret. I think that would be super chic and fall. You can wear this with so many different things because it's such a nice print. I would definitely pair this with maybe like a black turtleneck and some thigh highs and a beret. Hello, you have an outfit right there. Okay, loving this skirt. The next piece I got was this cute kind of burgundy color shaggy coat. I really love this coat, you guys, but beware, okay? It does come off on everything. I love the color of this. I love how deep in burgundy wine it is. It's so fabulous for fall. And you guys, I was gonna show you this later, but I think this is a really good time to show you now. I got these thigh-high boots, which pairs basically perfectly with this. I tried it on the other day when I first got the package and it was just perfect. I had the plaid skirt on, I had this jacket over it, and then I had these thigh highs, and it was just a match made in heaven. I love the shagginess of it, and it's just so cute. Such a great color for fall. Pair this with a dark lipstick, give you a pumpkin spice latte, and that's it. Call it a day. Next, I got this really cute black top. It's a crochet black top with a really nice sleeve detail right here. It hugs your wrist, but it has like that kind of flowy big bell sleeves on the elbow area. The top portion of it is see-through, so you should definitely wear like a little black cami underneath, and you can pair this with skinny jeans. You can do some leather leggings. I think that'd be really cute to dress up this top. It's a very basic yet cute top. You can do like date night, go to the movies in this, and it'll just be perfect. Next up is this dress. Now I think I already showed you guys because I had this dress and I forgot that I had it, but it was so cute I ordered it again. So this is a simple black dress. Again, it is off the shoulder, and what I really like about this is that it buttons from the top all the way to the bottom. You can wear this numerous ways. You can wear this with everything buttoned and it'll just look very chic. You can open up the top area, show a little sleeve if you'd like. You can open up the bottom and do some thigh highs underneath, and it'll just be super, super cute. Next, I got this really adorable skirt. It is in a nude color, and this is kind of like a latex material, and I don't have anything like this at all. This is probably my first like latex piece. I feel like when I go shopping, you guys, I always gravitate towards the same thing. Like I'm always buying the same things in different colors, different cuts, different materials, and I just want to venture off and like try different styles, you know. So I got this piece, and I think it's really, really cute. You can be edgy with it and, you know, wear like a black crop top or like even a white spaghetti strap crop with it and make it super hoochie. Or you can make it more high fashion-y by putting on like a black turtleneck with it, right? Pair it with a nice coat or do a denim jacket with it. I think it would be super, super cute. I also picked up on this really cute sweater dress. It is in a size small in a really cute gray color. I wore this sweater dress with these boots, and it was such a cute color combo. I really love this sweater dress. The only thing is it's very long on me. Not that that's a surprise to me at all, because most things are very long on me. And if you guys are tall, maybe like 5'5", is that even tall? But it's tall to me, okay? So if you're like 5'5" and above, this sweater dress would actually be perfect for you because it covers the butt, it covers everything. You can wear this as a dress. For me, it's more like a maxi. Not really, I'm just kidding. But it's definitely cute. I think I would have to belt it. It's just really cozy and casual. So I talked about the boots already with you guys. I got this burgundy wine color boot, black over the knee boots as well. And I really love the heel of the boots because it's thicker. So I feel like there's not a lot of weight. So you're not gonna feel super tired if you're wearing it. And of course, everybody needs a pair of black suede over the knee boots for fall, okay? It's kind of a staple. It's a must-have. Definitely invest in a pair and put in your closet because you're going to get a lot of use for it. For instance, you can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with jeans, you can basically wear it with anything. The last piece I got this time are these boots. These are suede in a brownish cognac color. I really love these boots because it has a low heel. So you guys know I'm a mom of two and I don't get to wear heels all the time. So these are definitely more practical for me. I could do Target runs in this and still look cute. It's so comfortable. I wore it the other day with a sweater dress and it was just so adorable. So that is it today for my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment and let me know which pieces were your favorite, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.